Whisk it a little bit. Put some salt to taste. A little pepper. Whisk it again. Make sure. Okay. As you could see, it's getting there. You want it as soft as possible. Make sure. Okay. You make sure you leave it there for 3 minutes each side. Make sure that you guys take out the stems. It's very hard. I'm sure you don't want to eat that. Every inch. Just like I did for my eggs. Put some little salt to taste. Okay. A little pepper. Soft egg with cheese, mozzarella cheese, sauteed asparagus, white bread, wheat bread, whatever you want, whatever you got in your cabinet, you could use whatever you want. And fresh orange juice.